Hello. What is your name?
My name is Gia Linh.
Hi, Sally. How old are you? How old are
I'm
you?
9 years old.
Wow, you're 9 years old. And where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Okay, that's great. And are you ready for our test? Are you ready?
Yes.
Good. So, dear, I want you to listen carefully because this um test is all about listening and speaking. Okay. So I want you to do your best. Okay. What a second. And right now I am opening the save. Okay, I am opening the test. Okay, we'll be having Tony the King. Okay, one, two, ready, get set, go. There was a king, Tony. He was a mighty leopard.
Whoa.
Ooh, was Tony a mighty tiger?
No.
Was Tony a mighty cheetah?
No.
No, was Tony a mighty lion?
No.
Okay, there was a king. He was a mighty leopard.
Yes.
Okay, so what does he like? Huh? My
A mighty leopard.
very good. That's amazing. Beautiful girl. Let's continue. Okay. Oh, Miss Lillian. So, however, he was a crybaby who wet pants every night.
Whoa.
Okay. So, was he a strong baby?
No.
Was he a cute baby?
No.
Was he a smart baby? Smart baby.
No.
Okay. He was a crybaby who wet his pants every night.
Oh. Yes.
Yes. So, when does he pee his pants? When?
Every night.
Amazing. That's correct. Beautiful girl. Let's continue. He needs to wear a diaper all the time.
Whoa.
Ooh, does he need to wear pants all the time? Pants. Pants.
No.
Does he need to wear shirts all the time?
No.
Does he need to wear sandals all the time? Sandals.
No.
Okay. He needs to wear diaper all the time.
Yes.
Very good. So what does he need to wear? What does he need to wear?
Diaper.
Diaper var.
A
Okay,
diaper.
very good. Diaper. Very good for that one. Beautiful girl. Okay, let's continue. He was really upset about this. Yeah. Ooh.
Whoa.
Was he really excited about this? Excited.
No.
Okay, was he really happy about this?
No.
Okay, so he was really upset about this.
Yes.
Okay, what was his feeling?
About upset.
That very good. Okay, I think that's the end, dear. Okay, thank you so much for that your time, but we didn't have time anymore. Okay, I'm gonna say goodbye now because your classmates are still waiting. Okay, you did great job, and I'm so proud of you. Goodbye.